Okay, if you see, this is the trigonometric formulas. I'm sure you already printed out your notes. This one I'm showing through my laptop here. Okay, I already divide into a few division of basic formulas. Basic formula, basic identity, which has three formulas: 1, 2, and 3. And addition and subtraction formula also has 3, and double angle formula also has 3, but only for the cos it has 3 formulas. Half angle formula, this one doesn't have in your SPM formula list, you have to create by your own. Okay, these are the few tips for the application of the formula. Okay, if you go up and see, okay, sine A is equivalent again 1 over cosecant A. Cos A, this one you can read through. Tangent A is actually equivalent to sine A over cos A. Also, it can be 1 over cotangent A. Okay, whereby if you see your cotangent here, cotangent, it will be vice versa. Sine over cos, this one will be cos over sine. And this one 1 over tangent, 1 over cotangent, this one is 1 over tangent. Okay, can you see? Okay, hopefully you can see properly here. Okay, now this one, if you compare, this one doesn't have in your formula list here. This one you have to memorize. You have to memorize. Okay, again I'm telling you have to memorize all these 1 until 6. Okay. Basic formulas, this is SPM formulas here. This is SPM formula under trigonometry, which will be provided. You can see from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all these 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, this one is basic identity. Basic identity you can see in your notes. Can you see number 1, number 2 and number 3 down here? And beside here I already did some alteration, meaning let's say sine A, you bring the cos A to the other side, your left hand side, sorry, to your right hand side, it will be minus cos A. And this one, you still remember A squared minus B squared? A squared minus B squared equivalent dengan A plus B, A minus B. Remember? Okay, that is a formula we apply here. 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A. Okay, all these are the alteration. If you want to see the cos squared A, it will be 1 minus sine squared A, and this one we apply the formula on top here. Okay, and this one also actually sine squared A plus cos squared A equivalent dengan 1. And 1 also you can write it in a reverse way, meaning sine squared A plus cos squared A. Okay, the second one also, wait, let me rub this one here. Okay, sine squared A equivalent dengan 1 plus tangent squared A. If you see in the SPM formula list, can you see sine squared A equivalent dengan 1 plus tangent squared A? Okay, exactly same. But all this alteration you can see through by your own. I'm sure you can see. Okay, and this one cosecant squared A equivalent dengan 1 plus cotangent squared A also has in your formula list. Can you see? Cosecant squared A equivalent dengan 1 plus cotangent squared A. Okay, you need to do some analysis and then don't get confused. Only these 3 are the basic identities. All these are your left hand side is your alteration. Okay, and then addition formula. There are 3 formulas here. You can see in your formula list now. Okay, where is it? Can you see number 9, 10 and 11? Number 9, 10, 11. Wait, let me enlarge a bit. Too much. Okay, see, wait. Okay, can you see here? Number 9, number 10 and number 11. Okay, these are the addition and subtraction formula. Let me go through in detail. Can you see plus minus here? If you plus minus here, here also will be plus minus. But for the cos, plus minus, but here will be the vice versa, minus plus. Okay, meaning here you can create two formulas, sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Can you see here plus, here also will be plus, minus and minus. But whereby for your cos, if plus followed by minus, vice versa, and if minus, it will be plus. But the formula of course is different. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, same goes for the tangent. See here, plus, plus, minus, 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 plus. No need to worry, they will give you, this is the formula will be given. This one you should know how to alter correctly before you apply into any question, related question. Okay, and double angle formula. We see in our SPM list, where is the double angle formula? It will be number 6, number 7 and number 8 up here. Okay, if you see here, number 7, number 6 no problem. Sin to A equivalent dengan 2 sin A cos A. But formula for the cos to A, there are 3 formulas here. This one is BM here, so we see only the English. Cos squared A minus sin squared A, and then 2 cos squared A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin squared A. But if you see, dear students, both these two formulas actually is born from this one. This is the master formula, cos squared A minus sin squared A. And these two formulas is actually born from this formula. Okay, see here how it's born. Dilahirkan. Can you see cos to A? Okay, cos to A, cos to A, cos squared A minus sin squared A, also born from actually, can you see here, addition and subtraction formula, cos A plus B. You can write here cos A plus A. Kalau cos A plus A, wait, where is it? Cos to A is actually cos A plus A. So once you elaborate, apply the formula addition, cos A minus sin A sin A. Cos A sin A, actually you can multiply, meaning it's a product of both cos squared A minus sin squared A. So meaning cos to A is actually born from the addition and subtraction formulas. Okay, from here, can you see this is the, from here I am taking here, and then can you see the sin squared A actually, can you see here, sin squared A is actually 1 minus cos squared A. We take this one, basic identity goes into here, 1 minus cos squared A, and then once you expand you will get this formula. Same goes here, third formula, cos to A, 1 minus 2 sin squared A. Can you see? Okay, we apply cos squared A, basic identity, equivalent dengan 1 minus sin squared A. So you will get this. Okay, same goes here for the tangent to A, also born from the tangent A plus A. Okay, you can go through all this. Okay, problemnya di sini. Sin 2a. Sorry. Okay. Can you see sin A? Sin A, if you see on top, is actually 1 over cosecant A. Okay, I don't think so. You ever think about sin A? Sin A, of course, it will be 1 over cosecant A. But there's another formula also for the sin A. Can you see? Sin A also is actually equivalent to sin A over 2 cos A over 2. Okay, if you see here, sin 2A is actually 2 sin A cos A. Okay, class. See here properly. The A and the A and the A here, I put it in the bracket. Okay, I just alter. Can you see both? I alter A to the A over 2. A to A over 2, A to A over 2. Okay, and then if you cancel this 2 and 2, you will get sin A. True or not? If you cancel 2 and 2, you will get sin A. Okay, and this one no need to alter anything, you just bring it down. So the formula for the sin A, actually this is the formula. So sin A actually has two formulas also, yeah. Okay, how about cos A? Also same. Cos A is actually 1 over secant A. Okay, there's another formula also. So the same procedure, I put it in the form of A over 2, A over 2, A over 2, and then you cancel these 2 and 2, you will get cos A. Okay, I did the alteration for the 3 formulas also, the basic formulas, and then can you see 3 formulas? Cos to A has 3 formulas, remember? So I can alter also 3 cos A's. Okay, just go through any problem. You do not hesitate. Sorry, do not hesitate. Wait, let me go through again. Okay, if you have any problem, do not hesitate to forward to me. I'll try to answer. Okay. These are the alteration, class. This one is very important. Okay. If you see here, the final, this one. Wait. Can you see cos A over 2? And there's another cos A over 2 also. So to get the cos A over 2, you cannot start with the cos A over 2 when you answer this question. You have to start with the cos A, which we already found on top. Remember? Can you see? This is the one we're going to use. Can see or not? Okay. Okay. Cos A is actually 2 cos squared A over 2 and then minus 1. If you see, the cos A over 2 is already underpinned here. So you need to eliminate whatever the alphabet or the constant, the number free from the cos A over 2, meaning A dash 2 squared and also minus 1. So you alter until you get this. Okay. Because cos 2A, double angle formula has one more formula. Remember 1 minus 2 sine squared A? This one also we can do it. Okay. You just go through. If any problem, come back to me. Okay, this one. Okay, let me rub this one. Okay. Sine 3A is actually sine 2A plus A. Also, you can write it. 4 sine A cos A is actually, you can take out the 2 here, and then in the bracket 2 sine A cos A. 2 sine A cos A is actually equivalent to sine 2A. Okay. So after this you can carry on. These are the few tips before you do any problem solving. Okay, thank you. This one will be the first video.